In this video, I'm going to show you how to see schedule on BambooHR. Now to do this, you first want to go to settings, top right, and you, or of course the administrator, if you are not the administrator, must enable time and attendance. This is basically an add-on, so you want to go to the account tab over here, scroll down, and here under available upgrades, you should be able to find the time and attendance. Click on learn more next to it. Now I have it up here because of course I've enabled this already. You want to click on learn more and enable it from here. Whenever you do this, you want to go to time and attendance over here on the left inside your dashboard, and then from here you'll be able to see schedules. So when the admin actually enables this here, you can see schedules for different offices. I have UK and Dubai office. Now this is just some random demo sample data, as you can see, but still it's going to work, and you can basically see the schedule over here. You can go through it by clicking over here. You can make updates by basically clicking anywhere over here to add shifts, etc. Now of course you could also add a new schedule if you want to by clicking new schedule over here. You can select things like location over here. You can also go and change the schedule name, when week starts, who can manage it, etc. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.